The blade, look how flat that is, right? And look how small the teeth are, right? YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back today. I got some new clippers I wanted to try. Actually, they balding. So we got these, right? We got the Gamma. They call it Skin, right? So what they really supposed to do, this is like a balding clipper. So you don't have to use your trimmers or nothing like that to try to get it to cut really bald, right? But let me show y'all the clipper and what it look like when it comes. So this is the actual clipper, right? You got this clipper, but you got different housing you can do. As usual, that's how Gamma come. It come with different housing for you to do, right? So it says Skin professionally bulk balding clipper with super torque motor, right? Super torque motor, right? So look at the blade. The blade, look how flat that is, right? And look how small the teeth are, right? You see that? Skin. So let's cut them on and see how they sound. Right? Not too loud. They sound pretty good, right? I like them, and they're very light. Now, you probably could use these also with some guards because they come with guards in the pack, like all Gamma Stylecraft clippers do. You got the charging station here, right? Now, as I was saying, you probably can use these with guards if you want to fade. If you want to just fade with it, but it doesn't have any levers on the side. But it's a way for you to probably cut down bulk really easy with it if you put the guard on it. Or you can do, trimming with it, like trimming wild hairs with it. You got to be very careful with that. But I wanted y'all to see it, and I wanted to do this on a haircut just to see. This will be a quick video. I won't take up too much of your time. So, and also these say Taylor Cut approved. If y'all know who Taylor Cuts is from Instagram, I don't know if he got a YouTube channel, but his videos are very entertaining, very good haircuts, things like that. So the run time per minute is 7,200 RPMs. 7,200 RPMs, right? We got that. You got the super torque motor. Adjustable zero gap. We're not going to even mess with them. We just going to use them straight out the box, right? You got the black diamond carbon blade, which we know how that works. That worked really well. These blades tend to normally not even get hot, right? It take a while for them to get hot. Whatever technology it is, like I said, diamond technology, that technology make it where it don't get hot, right? Also, all the things that I showed you, it come with, you got the charger stand and, the micro USB or whatever it's called for you to charge it up. So we got all those things, right? So like I said, you got a micro USB. You can use this to charge it up also, other than using just the regular charger that comes with it, right? So as soon as I get a haircut come in, we're going to try them out. I'm going to give y'all a close-up look, let y'all see how that go, things like that. I haven't been dropping videos. The holidays be so busy. I ain't got time to stop, really show y'all, cut the hair, things like that. It's slowing down a little bit for me now, so maybe I'll be dropping more videos. I will be dropping more videos. I'm just, getting everything together, so you know how it goes. But these are some of my clippers. Right here, I got these from Stylecraft. These are gold. These are the Sabres. Also, I got the X Argo. These right here. They got the really heavy curve right here. So it's good for fading. You can flick and fade, right? So, yeah, I got all this going over here with these clippers. And then for my trimmers, of course, I got the Sabres. I think I showed y'all these are the best trimmers out on the market, hands down. No cap. I ain't gonna do no capping. You know what I'm saying? But these are the truth. You see, they're not even loud, right? And then also, I got these right here, the Evos. I changed the blade to the one blade. These are kind of louder, but these cut really well, right? Once you change the blade, you got to change the blade on it though. In my opinion, for me, you got to change it. You got to get the one blade. The one blade is so nice that it cuts through any type of hair. I don't care what it do. So you could take that the one blade and put it on any one of their trimmers, and you're going to get it. It's going to cut like butter. I probably show y'all how they cut in the video also. So, yeah, that's what we got. So, my client about to come in. I'm going to do like a little guideline showing y'all how it come off. No adjustments at all. This is how we use it straight out the box. Let's go. So in conclusion about the skin clippers, I think that they could be adjusted just slightly, a little bit more, and they'll be perfect for somebody. But for me, they perfect already. I don't really like my you know, what I borrowed with to be like complete, like make a hard line, right? I don't want it to make a hard line, so for me, those are perfect. But you can get them to where they cut baby bottom smooth. But you saw the haircut came out pretty good, pretty nice, how I wanted it to. So yeah, those skin clippers, they'll go for me, yeah. So you might have to adjust them again, like I say, exactly how you want them. But as far as saving you time or using up your good trimmers to do your guideline, hey, they perfect for that. So they'll save your trimmers in the long run. But anyway, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.